Well, hello, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me well. I'm not sure how well the mic on my computer picks up, but I wanted to come here and just let you know real quick that I just saw this email in my inbox. I checked from, I took a break from work, and HSN is having a clearance frenzy, 25% off on all of their clearance. So I've bopped over, and there are some good deals to be had, guys. If you have the time and the money, God knows some of us do not, but that we are undeterred anyway. So I just wanted to get on here real quick and let you know what's going on. I'll link you in the description below, but I'm just wanted to shoot this real quick, let you know what's going on, and get off real quick and get this posted as fast as I can, because I just saw this. All right. Have a good one. You guys all know the drill. If you like me letting you know about these sales, let me know in the comments, give me a like. And if you want to see all of my madness, then you know what to do. Subscribe, ding the bell. And otherwise, remember, this woman is completely crazy and as mad as a hatter. So we're all a little mad here. So let's scrap the madness together. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.